how to register Grab Merchant or apply Grab Merchant. If you want to apply for Grab Merchant account, it is rather quite simple to do so. Open the Grab Merchant app. The first thing you want to make sure is from the top right, select your correct country of residence or where your business is located. Then after you've done that, you are trying to register for Grab Merchant. So you can see the option called sign up. Now login is for those who have already registered and would like to log into their merchant account. But just tap the sign up button. Now here you can just tap on continue. Just make sure to read all of this. It'll ask you what are you selling. I will select food and beverages, let's say, and you can just select whatever else you're selling, and then you can tap on save and continue. After reading all this, you have to proceed to the step 2 out of 7, that is to create an owner account using your phone number. This account will have to authorize to complete the registration on behalf of the business. So go ahead and enter your business mobile number if you have, then tap on continue, fill in the other required information as well. And after you do that, you would have successfully registered for Grab Merchant or applied for the Grab Merchant account. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.